Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how I made this intro using Filmora and Phonto on my iPhone for free. So let's get right into the video. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go into your search engine. I'm using Safari, and you are going to search the word white or whatever color you would like in your background. You're going to click on the first image and you're going to hold down on it and click Save to Camera Roll. Then we're going to go into Filmora and you're going to click on New Project and you are going to click on Recent and you are going to click on the white image that we saved from Safari and you are going to drag it out to about 8 seconds long. From there, once you have it dragged out, you are going to scroll at the bottom until you find the option that says Format. And you are going to click on the one that says 16:9 and you're going to take your 2 fingers to zoom in or until it fits the whole screen. Then from there, you're going to go into your eraser app or website. I'm using Photoroom and I always have an eraser website linked in the description below. But from here, we're just going to erase the background. If you're using Photoroom, it'll erase it for you. And then you can click on the image and you can just size it and make it bigger. And then you're going to save it to your camera roll and you're going to go back into Filmora. Then you're going to scroll until you find the option that says PIP. You're going to click on it, click on photo, and you're going to add the image that we just erased the background of. And you're going to move the picture to your left, just like this. And from here, we're just going to extend it out just a little bit. We're going to adjust it more later on. But for now, this is how we're going to keep it. And from here, we're going to exit out of that and you're going to go back to Safari. And I am searching dafont.com and this is where we're going to find our special font. You can use fonts that are already in the app, but I like to use special fonts. So for here, I clicked on the search bar and I'm searching the font Fall in Love Regular. And you are just going to hit search. You're going to click on the first one that says Fall in Love. You're going to click the button that says download in the corner. You're going to see this pop up and you're going to click download again. And from here, you're going to go into your Files app. You're going to hold down on the one that says Fall in Love. And for this, we're going to use this app Phonto. There'll be a button that says install and you would just click on that. For me, I already have the font installed, so I don't need to do that. But for you, you'll just click on the button in the corner that says install and it should install right into Phonto. From here, you're going to see a camera button at the bottom. You're going to click on that and then you're going to click on the option that says plain images. And from here, you're going to click on the white square. Then you're going to see in the gray bar the button that says color. Click on that. Then at the bottom, you're going to see alpha and you're going to bring the alpha all the way down to 0 and it'll turn it into transparent background. Then at the top, you're going to see the button that says use and you're going to click on that. Then from there, you are going to click anywhere on the transparent background, click add text and type in your username. From here, you're just going to click size and make it bigger and then you're going to click move and center it. Then you're going to click on style and then you're just going to click on the black option to make it black. Then you're going to click in the corner the save and you're going to save it as a PNG. Then from there, you're going to go back into Filmora. You're going to click the option that says PIP, click on add, click on photo, and then you are going to select the one with your name that we just made in Phonto. And I'm just going to tilt it a little bit, just like you see on the screen. You don't have to do that, but I like the way it looks. And you're just going to have it there and you're going to place it to where you think your name looks best. From there, I'm going to extend it out so that it's the same length as the picture. And I'm just adjusting it till I get it the way I like it to look. From there, we're going to click on the image of yourself. And then you're going to click on animation and you're going to click this one right here. It's kind of like a slide. I'll have it circled. And you're just going to put it to about 0.6 seconds or until it looks good for yours. And you're going to click on the text image, click on animation, and you're going to click on this fade in one. Again, I'll have it circled and we're going to put that to about 1 second. Then from there, I'm going to click on the text image and I'm just going to shrink it a little bit so that the photo comes in before the text, just like that. And it should look something like this. Then from here, I'm just shrinking the clips a little bit just because I felt like they were a little too long. but you do what's best for your own. Then from here, I'm clicking on the picture and I'm clicking animation out, and I'm clicking this first one here. It's like a fade out, and I'm doing the same thing for the text, and I'm putting both to about 0.5 seconds. You want to make sure that they go out at the same time. Then from here, we're going to go back into Phonto, and if you still have the last one open, you're going to use the same font, and you're going to type in your username. For this, I'm doing an Instagram username, but do whatever username you would like. And so I'm just adjusting it so that it's her username, and I'm just making sure it's centered and saving it as a PNG. Then from here, while we're already in Phonto, we might as well continue to do the other stuff we need. So for the last slide, I'm going to need the word subscribe. So I'm just using the same font. I'm deleting what I had before and typing in subscribe. And then I'm just centering it and saving that as a PNG as well. And then we are going to click on the text again. And this time we are going to type in the words follow me with an exclamation point in the same font. And I'm just going to center it. Then for this part, I'm going to click on style, click on text, and click on white. Then click on stroke and click on black, and then put the stroke to about 15. Then at the top, you'll see an option that says style. I'm clicking that, and you're going to be on shadow, and I'm just putting the shadow to about 50-60%. And it should look like this, and you're going to save that as a PNG as well. Then from there, you are going to remove it by clicking on the delete button. Then you're going to screenshot your Instagram profile picture. You're going to go back into Phonto, and you are going to click the 3 lines in the corner, and you are going to click the option that says add image. Click on the circle image, and you're going to click on the circle option, and you're going to size it just like I'm doing here. Then you are going to click done, click on where it says move, and then click the 2 bottom arrows, and it should center it for you. And then you're going to save that as a PNG as well. Then you are going to go back into Filmora, and now we're going to add all of those elements together. So you're going to go back to where it says PIP. You are going to click on that. Then you're going to click on add. You're going to click on photo, and first we're going to add a photo of yourself to go in the right side. So I'm clicking this photo here. It's a screenshot from her Instagram, and I'm just zooming in. I'm going to put the photo to the right like I'm doing here. Then this part can get a little tricky, so I'm going to try to explain it. You're going to scroll until you find the option that says mask. You're going to click this one here that says linear, and you're going to take your 2 fingers to literally turn it so that it's a straight line just like this. It should be vertical. Then you're going to click that little bluish greenish circle that you see there, and you're going to drag it to the outer side like I'm doing here. And now you're going to see the circle with the arrows, and you're literally going to pull it to the right, and it should blur it out a little bit. And you're going to continue to move it to the right until you start to get this kind of blur effect where you don't see a sharp line anymore. It's a little tricky, but just play around with it and you should kind of get something like this. And then you're going to take that image, and I'm just going to drag it down so that it's right on the 3rd line. And you kind of want it to overlap a little bit, like you see how on the screen it's a little bit overlapped. Then from here, you're going to go back and click on the PIP again, click on add again, and this time you are going to click on the image that has your username, and you are going to click on that, click the check mark, and zoom in, and you want it to be nice and big at the bottom, just like you see I'm doing here to the left side. Once you have the username the way that you like it, you are going to go back to where it says PIP, click add again, and you're going to click on photo, and you're going to click that circle photo that is your profile picture, and you're going to add that in, and you're going to make it bigger like I'm doing here. Then you're going to go to PIP again, and you're going to click add again, and this time you're going to add the image that says follow me, and you are going to put that right under the profile picture like here, kind of overlapping just like you see here. And everything should kind of look like this as of right now. We're going to adjust it a little bit and add animations, but this is how it should look so far. Then from here, you're going to click on the image with the mask, and you're going to see this option that's like a fade in option, and you're going to put that to about 1 second. And you're going to adjust it so that it comes in right when the other ones are fading out. This part isn't necessary, but I decided to kind of drag everything out a little bit, and I decided to move the layers just so it was more organized for me. So I grabbed the first layer and I put it at the bottom, and I'm moving the follow me to the top, and I'm going to adjust it a little bit more throughout the video. Then from here, I'm clicking on the circle image, and I'm clicking animation, and I'm clicking the fade animation, and I'm clicking it for both the image and the follow me. And I'm putting it to about 0.6 seconds. But again, do whatever you think looks best for yours. And here you're going to notice that the image is overlapping the follow me, so I end up moving the follow me to the second layer and the image to the first layer. For this, depending on the layers that you have it, things are going to overlap, so just keep that in mind. And so this is how I have it looking so far. Then I'm clicking on the username, and I'm clicking animation, and I'm going to this slide up animation, and I'm putting that to about 1 second. And this is how it looks so far. Then from here, I'm just adjusting things a little bit more. And then I'm just dragging out everything so that they meet at the same point, because we're going to make them all fade out at the same point. A lot of this is trial and error and getting it to look good for your own intro, but this is how mine is looking so far. Then from here, I'm going back to the first image and the first name, and I'm just putting the out animation to 0.7 speed instead, so it fades out a little bit slower. But again, you don't have to do this. It's whatever you think looks best for yours. And I'm deciding to drag everything out a little bit longer so that it stays in frame longer. Again, you don't need to do that. Do it for whatever you think looks best for your own. Then from here, I'm clicking on the top with the circle, and I'm clicking animation out, and I'm just going to go to the fade out animation for all of them. And I'm just putting mine to about 0.8 seconds, but you can do whatever you want for yours. Just make sure that all of them are fading out at the exact same time. So again, you want the circle profile picture, the follow me, the image in the corner with the mask, and the username to all fade out at the exact same time. And this is how it should look so far. Then from there, you're going to go to the option that says PIP again, and you're going to click on the add button, and you are going to add the image of the subscribe button that we saved earlier, and you're just going to make it bigger. And I'm just going to extend it all the way out. And I'm just going to click on animation, and I'm clicking on this fade in animation, and I'm putting it to about 1.2 seconds. And it should fade in like this. And this is how everything should look so far. Then from here at the bottom, you're going to see an add music button. It's the gray button under the intro. You're going to click on it, and there'll be plenty of options. It'll bring up music. For this, I'm using the extract audio option. I'm just going to click the button that says extract audio, and it'll give you a pop-up explaining what that means. I'm just clicking on a sound. It's going to extract the music from the sound, and I'm just going to click on the plus sign, and it'll automatically add it for you, and you'll have music or a sound in your intro. Then from here, you'll see an option that says fade in. When you click on the music, it'll say fade, and you can click fade in or fade out, and it just means that it doesn't start or end abruptly, and it just goes in or out very smoothly. And so I'm just doing that here. And if you notice your music is too short or too long, you can just adjust that at the end. Then from here, you can go back to the beginning and there'll be an option that says cover, and you can choose a cover that you would like just so it looks nicer. And then from here, you're just going to click the option that says export. And for the free version, you can only get it in 720p. So in the highest quality for the free version, I would do 720p at 60 FPS and remove the watermark, and I would save it. And this is going to be the final intro, guys.